Hello everyone, here we have made some of the circles that we have kept incomplete. We haven't completed them yet. After that we are going to make the eyes, lips and then the ears one after the another. We have made use of the different shades like the orange, yellow one, pinkish one, and we are filling with it. This is very less time consuming activity. Let's next try to make a puppy. For this one you just have to make an oval shape, then the ears are curvier one, somewhat banana shape. After that the body is to be made and this is so cute and so easy. Now add the other features like the eyes, nose, the paws, and it's holding a bone in its hand, and then we are going to add some more features. Let's now try to make this bunny. For this one you just have to make the long ears, then you just have to make some curves, C and the opposite C, and then you have to connect them, and from the inner side you have to again make the two C's that will represent the paws, and the rest of the features are to be made like the eyes, nose, and it's holding a mushroom. This is a cute little doll. Then you just have to make the curvy line, and then you just have to make a fin that's somewhat V-shaped, and after that we are going to make some inner curves more. Don't forget to make the fin that's somewhat leafy in shape, and after that fill it with some of the bright colors. We are using the blue one. First you just have to make the 2 number, after that the circle, then the 2 number, and over the circle you just have to make the 2 ears, then you just have to join the 2 twos that you have made here. The number 2s you have to join. I'm talking about that. Let's make some of the features of this bunny. Let's move further and try to make this another type of the cute little animal. For this one you just have to make the 2 curvier bodies that are opposite, and you can see in between we are going to make the paws that's holding the heart shape. This is so cute and so easy. Let's move further and try to make this another type of the turtle, or we can say the tortoise. For this one you just have to make use of the graph paper, and you just have to make the curvier body, and you have to make the spike, then you just have to join them. This is so cute and so easy. Fill it with some bright colors. With the help of the highlighter we are going to make some of the markings over the body. Let's try to make this another type of the drawing. For this one you just have to make a circle shape, and after that the curvy line in between, and you just have to join it with the circular shapes that you have made the earlier, and don't forget to make the antenna. This is very easy. Let's try to make another type of the rabbit. For this one you have to make the long ears, and the body is somewhat curvier in shape. Then you can make use of the different shades of the pink. You are going to fill it with like the ear area and towards the lips area. Let's try to make a turtle. First you have to make a traced down circular shape. After that you just have to make the limbs of this turtle, and in between you are going to make a diamond shape, and after that you just have to join the lines together, and it will represent the different shell patterns of this type of the turtle. Let's move further and try to make this robo cat. For this one we are going to make use of this graph paper. We are going to make a square, inside it a circular shape, in the top of it 2 triangular shapes that are going to represent the ears, and the nose are to be made, and the more prints are to be done. This is so cute and so easy. Give it a try. Let's try to make this cute little panda. For this we are going to make use of a graph sheet, and after that we are going to make a square, and in between we are going to add circular shapes, and 2 lines are to be joined together. Then fill it with some of the black shades over some areas that are apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video and try to make this one. This is the cutest of all. Let's try to make a mice. For this make the 7, and below it the 2 numerical number. Then you just have to make the ears and the rest of the body, and the cute little long tail is to be made. Then the whiskers are also to be made. This is very easy and very good. Just give it a try. Thank you.